what we're doing here with Safe Space Alliance. Again, we want to reinforce our commitment not only to the community, but the chefs, makers, and bakers. We're really proud of what they do here. We want to make sure that this is a safe space for you guys. We do too, so thank you all.
To unity, to community, to our allies, cheers, queers.